Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming your Dell model supports a backlit keyboard. Many Latitude, XPS, and Inspiron do. Once confirmed, shut down fully and power on. The moment the Dell logo appears, press F2 to enter BIOS. Timing matters because fast boot can bypass the prompt. Make sure you have admin ability to save settings. This direct BIOS route ensures the lighting is controlled at firmware level rather than transient OS shortcuts. Once in BIOS, navigate to System Configuration or a section labeled Keyboard Illumination. You'll find options like On, Off, or a timeout in seconds. Change it to off or set the timeout to 0 so the light never activates. Use arrow keys and enter to select values. This modifies firmware behavior so the keyboard stays dark regardless of OS or function keys. Make sure you understand the option names. Different BIOS versions label this differently, and confirm your selection before leaving. You now save and exit the BIOS, typically F10, then reboot to verify the keyboard light is off. If it remains lit, check again. Some models hide the setting unless BIOS is updated, so update firmware and retry. As a temporary workaround, use the FN plus space or FN plus F10 key to cycle lighting, but remember that firmware changes are the only persistent method. If none of this works, reinstall Dell input drivers or contact Dell support. They can confirm hardware limits or provide a model-specific fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.